Welcome to the world of uncertainty. In data science, finance, and sports betting, we often use the words probability and odds interchangeably. However, in the realm of statistics, they are distinct mathematical concepts. Today, we're going to master probability versus odds, a friendly guide to betting on your data. Let's dive into why understanding the difference is the key to mastering predictive modeling and risk assessment. Section 1. The basics of probability. Probability is the measure of the likelihood that an event will occur. It is expressed as a ratio of the number of favorable outcomes to the total number of possible outcomes. Mathematically, P of A is the number of events A divided by N. Probability always stays between 0 and 1, or 0% and 100%. Imagine a bag with 4 blue marbles and 1 red marble. The probability of picking the red one is 1 out of 5, or 20%. Section 2. Introducing odds. While probability compares the part to the whole, odds compare the part to the other part. Odds are the ratio of the probability of an event occurring to the probability of it not occurring. In our marble example, the odds of picking a red marble are 1 to 4. This means for every 1 time we succeed, we expect to fail 4 times. In betting, this is often written as 4 to 1 against. Notice how the denominator changed from the total, 5, to the failures, 4. Section 3. The conversion formulas. Switching between these two is a fundamental skill. To turn probability into odds, we use the formula odds equals P divided by 1 minus P. Conversely, to find probability from odds, we take odds and divide by 1 plus odds. For instance, if the probability of a stock rising is 0.75, the odds are 0.75 divided by 0.25, which equals 3, or 3 to 1. Statistics shows that failing to convert these correctly is a leading cause of error in clinical trial interpretations. Section 4. Logistic Regression and Log Odds. Why do data scientists care? Because of logistic regression. When we want to predict a binary outcome, like will a customer churn, we use the logit function. The logit is simply the natural logarithm of the odds. While probability is bounded between 0 and 1, log odds can range from -infinity to +infinity. This transformation allows us to use linear mathematics to solve nonlinear classification problems. It's the engine behind most modern recommendation systems. Section 5. The odds ratio, or OR. This is where things get powerful. The odds ratio compares the odds of an outcome occurring in one group to the odds of it occurring in another. In medicine, if the odds of recovery with a drug are 5 to 1 and without it are 2 to 1, the odds ratio is 2.5. This means the drug increases the odds of recovery by 150%. This statistic is robust and less sensitive to the baseline prevalence of a condition than simple probability differences. Section 6. Misinterpretations and common pitfalls. The biggest trap is thinking an odds ratio is the same as a risk ratio. When an event is rare, they are similar, but when events are common, the odds ratio significantly overstates the effect. For instance, if the probability of an event increases from 50% to 75%, the probability has increased by 1.5 times, but the odds have jumped from 1 to 3, a 300% increase. Always check your baseline before placing your data bet. In conclusion, probability is about the whole, while odds are about success versus failure. Mastering these allow you to navigate everything from gambling tables to complex machine learning architectures. Whether you are building a neural network or just curious about the next game, remember, the math doesn't lie, but it does have different ways of telling the truth. Stay curious and keep analyzing. References: John E. Friend, Mathematical Statistics; Damodar Gujarati, Basic Econometrics; Hosmer and Lemeshu, Applied Logistic Regression.